It's eggy and cheesy, so. Welcome back, everybody. Today we're gonna make one-pan egg sandwich, and as always, we're only gonna use tools that we have in our kitchen. Let's go. So you only need a few things for this recipe. You need a slice of bread, a slice of cheese, 2 eggs. You need some butter, sugar. The bread that I like to use is brioche bread. It's my favorite bread anyway, that I use for all my sandwiches and stuff, so that's the bread that I'm going to use in this video. So the first thing we're going to do is cut it in half. That's about it. I'm going to break the eggs. Alright, so you're going to start with the butter first. On low heat. Now we're going to add the eggs. Bread. Okay. Now you're gonna add cheese to it. Sprinkle a little sugar on it. Gonna flip it. Oh, that looks delicious. Look at that. Whoa. Okay, so this is what the sandwich looks like. In my opinion, 2 eggs were a little bit of an overkill. I didn't cut anything off the sides or nothing. I don't do any of that stuff, guys. I give you, I make it. And the way it comes out is the way it comes out. I don't do any funny stuff in my videos. It's all real as it gets. So you can even go with, I don't know, 2 eggs were a little bit too much. It looks like too much egg, in my opinion. We'll see what it tastes like. Okay, it's time to try it. It's eggy and cheesy, so how can that be bad? Going in. It's good. It's an egg sandwich. Sorry, it's an egg sandwich. It's good. burrito spread helped. It was pretty easy to make. So, if it's something you guys are into, go ahead and make it. Nothing else to do during this lockdown. Keep cooking. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.